Eating blueberries every day can have several positive effects on your body due to their nutritional content and potential health benefits. Here's what happens in your body when you incorporate blueberries into your daily diet. Antioxidant boost. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. This can reduce the risk of chronic diseases and slow down the aging process. Brain health. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in blueberries may help improve cognitive function and memory. They are often considered a brain food. Heart health. Regular consumption of blueberries may support heart health by reducing blood pressure, improving cholesterol levels, and decreasing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Reduced inflammation. Blueberries have anti-inflammatory properties that can help lower the risk of chronic inflammation, which is associated with many diseases, including arthritis and heart disease. Improved digestion. Blueberries are a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy digestive system. Weight management. The fiber in blueberries can help you feel full and satisfied, potentially aiding in weight management and preventing overeating. Skin health. The antioxidants in blueberries may contribute to healthier, more youthful-looking skin by combating oxidative stress and promoting collagen production. Eye health. Blueberries contain vitamins and antioxidants that can support eye health and reduce the risk of age-related eye conditions, like cataracts and macular degeneration. Blood sugar control. Some studies suggest that blueberries may help regulate blood sugar levels, which can be beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Immune support. The vitamins and antioxidants in blueberries can help boost your immune system, making your body better equipped to fight off infections. Reducing oxidative stress. The antioxidants in blueberries can help reduce oxidative stress, which is linked to various chronic diseases, including diabetes, heart disease, and neurodegenerative disorders. Anti-aging. Blueberries are often touted as a superfood for their potential to slow down the aging process. Their high antioxidant content can help protect your skin and body from the signs of aging. Lower risk of urinary tract infections. Compounds in blueberries may help prevent certain bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract lining, reducing the risk of urinary tract infections. Enhance exercise recovery. Blueberries may aid in exercise recovery by reducing muscle soreness and inflammation due to their anti-inflammatory properties. Vision protection. The antioxidants in blueberries, particularly lutein and zeaxanthin, can help protect your eyes from damage caused by UV rays and other environmental factors. Mood and stress management. Some studies suggest that blueberries may have a positive impact on mood and stress levels, possibly due to their ability to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain.